A tragic plane crash in Gramado, a popular tourist city in southern Brazil, has claimed the lives of all 10 people aboard. The small aircraft, piloted by businessman Luis Claudio Galizzi, struck a building's chimney, then the second floor of a house, before crashing into a mobile phone shop on Sunday, December 22. Galeazzi was traveling with his wife, three daughters, other family members, and a company employee. The crash caused a fire, sending 15 people to the hospital, mostly for smoke inhalation. Gramado, located in the Saragossa Mountains and famous for its German and Italian heritage, was particularly busy during the holiday season with festive events and decorations. In a separate tragedy, a bus crashed on Saturday, December 21st in southern East Brazil, killed 41 people, making it the deadliest highway accident in the country since 2007. The crash occurred near Teofilo Otoni in Minas Gerais state, with authorities confirming the death toll had risen from 38 earlier reports